All right, how's it going today, everybody? This is Dr. Sherry. I am here with a quick Teacher Tip Tuesday, and today we're going to talk about how we use or how we can use ChatGPT to create student reviews in just minutes. I'm not going to lie, I use ChatGPT on the regular. I mean, I'm talking daily for a lot of things. ChatGPT does a really great job of helping me organize my business, keeps me on top of things. It sends me emails reminding me that, I have to take the dog to the vet or schedule this or schedule that. But where ChatGPT is really worth its money, because I do have a pro. I pay for the pro, the $20 a month to have that unlimited space. But why that is worth it, in my opinion, is its ability to help me individualize, update, customize everything learner by learner. So let's talk through this really quick. You all are busy. I know that, because teachers are amazing and always have things to do. The problem that we're going to talk about today is creating review materials takes a ton of time. Picking and piece parting the things that you want out of your chapter, out of your unit, it takes time. Well, what if I told you AI could help you with that? And it literally takes just minutes to have a clean, wholesome review. Now, I'm going to give this caveat right now, right here, before we even get too far into this. Remember, AI is not always right. Human error, computer error, it all happens. So make sure anything that you publish or anything you give to your students, you have gone through, looked it over, and made sure everything is accurate and correct within it, okay? That's a caveat. Let's go ahead and keep talking. What is the solution then for that problem of time taking forever? Well, ChatGPT is able to help you create quizzes, flashcards, study guides, review games. Like I said, I use it all the time for the things I do in my life. But one thing I do want to share is I have yet to, and maybe it's just I have not advanced myself enough in ChatGPT, but to make it come out polished, looking the way I want it to. A lot of the time what ends up happening is Chat will give me the review, and then I dump it either into Word or into Canva. If I'm making something, flashcards, it's in Canva. If it's in, a quiz or something like that, it's either into Google Forms or into a Word document. And I make it look pretty, right? I give it that special touch that all of us teachers really like. We all have our own format that we like to stick to, but that is not here nor there. Chat can help you with this. So here's some examples. For math, create me a 10-question multiple choice quiz on dividing fractions for 6th grade. Include an answer key. Literally, it will have this done for you in 30 seconds. Now, some suggestions that I would make just to make this a little bit more specific. Always put in, a 6th grader. Maybe your class operates at a 5th grade level. So create me a 10-question multiple choice quiz on dividing fractions for 6th grade using diverse skills that are more at a 5th grade level. Include an answer key. If you're not sure, or you're going on, say, long-term maternity leave and you want it all worked out, you can do that too. Instead of saying an answer key, you say provide a solution sheet, and it will step you through those solutions. Another one, how about for ELA, those of you who teach English and language arts, generate me 15 vocabulary flashcards for the giver by Lewis Lowry. It will do that for you in a blink of an eye. You can then go ahead, turn them into something really cool looking in Canva or in Word or whatever your software of choice is. Science teachers, write me a 1-page study guide comparing mitosis versus meiosis for high school. It'll give you, and you can ask it then to format it. Format these into two comparison columns or contrast columns, whatever you want that to be. It will do it for you. Looks pretty cool. ChatGPT 5, which is the newest rollout, has gotten pretty advanced, and I do really like the more formatting that it has. So it's just a matter of learning the prompts that you want it to give. Prompt example, if you want a game format, create me a Jeopardy style review for American history, then you can go ahead and put that in. Like I was talking about in my work as a independent private educator, where I work with students of all different races, all different nationalities, vocabularies, levels, and all different content areas, ChatGPT has made my life so much easier because I use it to differentiate and to versify. So some different ways within your classroom that you can use it. You can use it for ESL support. You can do it to help with learning differences, to simplify your language. ChatGPT will turn documents into a dyslexic font, which is really fantastic for those who, if you know, dyslexics, they need that added support. That font really seems to help. So all of those things can be done with inside of ChatGPT, and all of it takes is literally just seconds. It's pretty fantastic. I know we don't promote it within learning with our students, but when we do all the things that we do, why work harder when we can work smarter? So some bonus tips I think I've kind of covered on these. Always be specific in your prompt. Tell them exactly what you want. The more detailed you can be, the better. Some of my favorite things, and we will go into this in the full video on YouTube, is, act like a blah, 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 blah. We'll go into that, and I'll show you just kind of the differences in two different chats and how you put it in and what you get back out of it. Always review your results. Don't just print it off and give it to the students, because like I said, there's going to be or could be inaccuracies. You can easily copy these things into Google Forms, and you can keep your best prompts saved within chat so that you can use them over and over again to develop those awesome reviews that you're looking for. So here we go. Want to try it on your own? Go ahead, log into ChatGPT, or just go out to the website. You don't have to log in to just use it. Try some of these out for yourselves in your next review or your next quiz. If you want to see a full demo, that is coming soon. That'll be up. Today is August 26th. That will be up by the end of the week. So take a look at it over Labor Day weekend. If you want more of these Teacher Tuesday tips, like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube, to my Facebook. Make sure you're staying up to date. And the more followers I have, the more of these content videos I can do. Thinking the next one we're going to do is a quick little intro into Canva. So that is all for now, folks. I will see you on the next one.